Chahi kun mari henna PHED da thabak tawraklaba employee sing Houjik Faoba work charge confirmation pibidana thambire gunamane. Pawasi ngasi nungthil phongkhiba Kangleipaki maira pawse dagi lakhwatchabane. Chahi kun mari henna PHED department da thabak tawduna laklaba employee sing Houjik Faoba work charge confirmation pibidana thambiri haina Joint Coordinating Committee ki President B Gunamanina phongdokre. Wapamasi ngasi the Joint Coordinating Committee of PHED Workers and Employee Organization Manipur amade All Manipur PHED Employee and Worker Union na sinduna tha asigi haukiba tarukta court na order thoktuna pass tawkiba WPC number 165 of 2022 ga mari lainana Major khulda laiba Manipur Press Club ta pangthokiba paumi singa unaba ma da phongdokiba ne mahangna makha taraduna hai Finance Department PIC na thokiba order number 9/109/99 PIC date 22 January 2001 gi matungin na Manipur government ki makhada laiba Engineering Department haibade PHED, PWD, WRD, MID amade Power Department laiba work charge employees sing Chahi tara hek subaga worker charge confirmation pigadabani haina palle order asigi matungin na Public Work Department Chatret ko homputaret work charge employee September 18 1999 da confirmation PK Minor Irrigation Department MID da Chahumga nifuhumdoy work charge September 13 2005 da work charge confirmation PK Amadi Power Department ta February 2023 da Chaniga sumna mari work charge confirmation PK Adubu Terminal Benefit for work charge staff of PICD IFCD PWD MID amade and Electricity Rules 1978 ki matungin na work charge employee amana confirm tawraba matungda chahi kun service tawrabade pension amadi gratuity gi benefits sing pigani haina palle adubu PICD department da thabak tawjariba work charge employee sing de masigi kanaba phangdana laire amarom da PICD department ta matam sangna wazaraglaba work charge chahumga nifutaru employee sing gi mahut silaga Manipur High Court Public Health Engineering Department Workers and Employee Organization Manipur na confirmation PB na bawakat ke WPC number 164 of 2022 hay diba writ petition na sige matungin na High Court na chahi asigi February tarugta tha humgi manungda ay koy gi demand na Cebu Manipur government na kanagada bani hay na order thoki hay re maramasina thuba matamda Manipur government na kanabidu na work charge confirmation PB na basu phongdok ke